Now who doesn't want luscious pink lips? Everyone, right? Today I'm going to show you how to get soft pink nourished lips naturally. So keep watching. Now before we get into the video, let me tell you the reason for dark lips. There are two key factors that lead to this condition. One is medical and the other is lifestyle. So let's tackle them one at a time. The first step to naturally soft pink lips is exfoliation. Exfoliation will basically remove the existing dead skin cells and make way for a new layer of skin. For this, just take a baby toothbrush. The reason I'm using a baby toothbrush and not a regular one is because the skin on the lips has no protective tissue, making it extremely sensitive. Just apply some chapstick on the brush and gently start scrubbing your lips. Wipe off with a soft cotton pad. Make sure to exfoliate your lips at least twice in a week to see and feel the difference. Hydration is not just for the body but also for the lips for them to look soft, supple and free from flaking. Less water means less saliva production, which means your lips will feel dry. So drink plenty of water for them to look soft and supple. Now if drinking water doesn't come naturally to you, then keep a really cute sipper like this one handy so that you can stay hydrated at all times. Now that we've exfoliated our lips and promised to drink plenty of water, I'm going to show you a product that I've been loving lately. So this little guy right here is my go-to lip care product. What I love about this product is that it provides 24 hours of moisturization. Yes, you heard that absolutely right. It also contains must-have lip care ingredients such as shea butter, cocoa butter, almond oil and Vaseline jelly. It also contains vitamin E, which is essential in keeping the lips healthy, hydrated and nourished. I literally carry this chapstick wherever I go and I apply it on my face first thing after shower. I let it sit on my lips for a while and then apply lipstick. This makes sure that my lips look and feel great. I even apply this in the evening after my skincare routine. I let it sit on my lips overnight and trust me, leaving it overnight has made a huge difference to my lips. Depending on my mood, I keep switching the tints. Some days I like a little cherry, on others strawberry and sometimes I even like apricot. For days when I don't want to wear lipstick, these tints work just fine. In fact, what I love about this is it provides me color and care all in one. So if you've been wondering how your favorite beauty blogger sports those luscious lips, I hope I've solved the mystery in some ways today. If you like this video, don't forget to bash the like button. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe to BeBeautiful to stay updated with our latest beauty guides and tutorials. Until next time, bye!